Good day everyone. In this video I will show you 3 tips for this watch Casio W216H, and the first one is the LCD check. To do that, you can press the 3 buttons at the same time: 12, 24 hour, mode, and also light. So you might want to hold this watch this way and we will see this LCD check screen. You can exit from this one by pressing any button, so I will press this one. Okay, and then the next tip is for the Casio check. To do that, you can press and hold this button 12, 24 hour on the top left, and it will show the word Casio on the screen. And that might change the setting a bit. So for the time format, now it is the 12 hour. You can press again once more to return to the previous time format. Okay, and then the next tip is for the alarm sound check. You can press the mode button from the timekeeping mode to become the alarm mode, and then press and hold this one 12, 24 hour at the top left, and you will hear this beeping sound. Okay, and it will change the setting of the alarm a bit, so you might want to press this button 3 more times to return to the previous setting. Okay, and yes, you can press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode, and done. Now that's all the 3 tips for this watch Casio W216H. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.